Tonight for supper, I'm going to be making the Applebees chicken wonton tacos. Our favorite appetizer when we go there, we usually always get it, and I thought it would be fun to make it at home. First, I have to get my chicken ready. So I'm going to take my chicken and I'm going to chop it into small pieces, and then I'm going to make a sauce. I have my chicken all cut up in chunks, and I'm going to marinate it in 2 tablespoons of the hoisin sauce, 2 tablespoons of the soy sauce, a tablespoon of sesame oil, a tablespoon of honey, 2 teaspoons of garlic minced, and a teaspoon of the ginger paste. Here's the chicken all marinated in those things, and I'm gonna set it aside in the fridge until I'm ready to make it. If you need to make it right away, I don't see any reason this wouldn't be just as flavorful with all those different sauces and honey and ginger, garlic. I think it would be just fine if you had to make it right away. For the slaw mixture, I'm gonna slice up these 2 green onions, mix in a 1/4 cup of sweet chili sauce, tablespoon, it calls for rice vinegar and I don't have any, teaspoon of the sesame oil, a little bit of the ginger and honey, a little tiny bit. I'm gonna get this all together and let it sort of marinate in the fridge to help soften the slaw a little bit, break it down some. This is what it looks like so far. Gonna get it all mixed in. And I'm reserving the cilantro for more of a garnish because Pappy is not a fan. So just save that for me. There we have our marinating coleslaw mixture, and I'm gonna stick this in the fridge until we're ready for it. And then we have the fun part. Just heating up my pan. I have some neutral flavored, it's like a light olive oil in here. Gonna cook my chicken up, and also I have some oil heating to fry the wonton portion of the meal. Chicken's cooked up nice and saucy, and I'm just waiting for my oil to come up to temp. Needs to be about 350. Going to take a piece of it's an egg roll wrapper. You can get the little wonton wrappers. It's the same stuff. Just make sure it's sizzling. I just got the regular egg roll wrappers. The wonton ones are smaller for those sort of bite-sized appetizers. But we're making a meal out of this because we really like it. So you can cut your little taco shape out, and I may just do some strips because who else thinks they're messy to eat? They're so delicious. Delicious little morsels, but so messy. So we may just have sort of a salad. In order to make my taco shape, I'm just going to take my tongs and lay the one side in here like this and fry it until it is nice and crispy. I have a bowl here if I have an emergency and have to put it down quick to turn down the heat or adjust anything. That's how we're gonna do it. And like I said, I think I might do some strips because it's just so much easier to eat. You can see they're puffing up. Getting brown here. Just takes a couple minutes. The little wonton wrappers probably won't take as long. See, we're nice golden brown. I'm just going to grab the other side. Ooh, come here, you. And we'll do the other side. Oh, I think I have 2 here. I tried to see if it was a single. It looked like it. That's okay. I think it came apart enough that I can peel it apart. And it's extra chunky. Maybe that'll help hold it together some. Sort of like a chalupa. This one's bubbling up. And we're just holding the side, holding it down until the wrapper gets crispy, nice and golden. Turn down the oil a little bit. I don't fry a lot of things, but this was sort of a necessity. There are baking instructions too, and I'll see that they get into the description. Now I'm trying some strips. Some crunchy strips. We will have our choice of the tacos or the strips. Our yummy chicken is done, and our taco or strips are done, wonton strips. Now we just need the coleslaw mixture. You get a lot of egg roll wrappers, so I'm gonna throw these in the freezer. It's telling me I can freeze them up to 3 months, and I noticed on the back there is a lot of things you can make with these. So apple pie and more. Ooh, that looks good. And this is what it's looking like all plated up. You have it both ways because I wanted to show you the real way with the little bigger wonton contraption. And then as a salad, which I think will be easier to eat. And then Happy's. He decided he's going to try cilantro one more time.